guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. For those of you that are regulars here, you'll know that I'm busy putting some M4 GTS parts on the BMW 1M Coupe. But yeah, that being said, these parts actually, because the M4 GTS was a F80 chassis build, these parts actually can be retrofitted to also a F80 M3 M4 as well. But I'm gonna see if I can do it on a BMW E82 1M Coupe. So those of you that follows my Instagram account, you'll know that today what I did was I installed the Alcantara steering cover on my BMW 1M Coupe on the performance steering wheel and retrofitted the red M button from the F80 M5 to complement the red start button. Let me know what you guys think in the comments with regards to how it actually came out. Here's a sneak peek on it. So Alcantara, the red M button complements the red M button there. It looks kind of cool. The only thing that's putting me off is that this Alcantara is actually quite new and it's black and it's all fluffy, as opposed to the wear and tear on the actual steering wheel itself. So what we installing today is this bad boys here. That's a what's this, a footrest, or I think that's an accelerator thing. There's all the pedals and all of that there, and I just dropped the screws down here. Comes with some screws, and then in the other box itself we have the footrest. So you can see the design on it is actually quite cool. If we put it here and have a look, you'll see, if you see these lines here, they almost look like J's. It follows the same pattern as the mat itself. So if you just put it there, we'll see if it's gonna work. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my detailing brushes and I'm gonna detail the footwells, detail all of this area so there's no grease or grime, because it does come with 3M sticky tape at the back and that needs to be peeled off, and I think this part here just sticks onto the footrest itself. So I'll catch you in a bit. So in order to make this fit, you can see on the actual pedal itself there's no holes, but on the performance ones they actually do have holes. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mock it up. So I'll put this on, that fits pretty well, and I'll just put that, I don't know if I'll actually put that on. I think I'll just leave this off for now. I'll mark these 3 positions and drill 3 holes through here, and then we'll come back. On the carpet I should have put something here, all this metal shavings, but like it's an all-weather mat, so it should just come right. So something very interesting is that the brake pedal itself is made out of metal, and then the clutch pedal is made out of plastic. Very interesting. I wonder why. So anyway, this here then slots onto here, and we'll do the same with the other one, and I'll install the metal cover over it and put the screws in, and we'll have a look how it looks. Okay, so we just finished the install on it. I'll give you guys some good pointers. The fit on it is actually, it's okay. These screws 1, 2, 3, and the other 1, 2, 3 on the clutch pedal is actually quite short, so I think I'm going to change it out to a longer screws. I'll see if I can get silver screws as well. But yeah, it's pretty, looks pretty good. I think for what we accomplished today, we managed to achieve it. These here actually just screw into the pedal. This here is actually a dummy screw that comes with it. It has 3M tape, so this one has 3M tape, the accelerator, as well as your footrest has 3M tape as well. So again, we can see with the lines going up like that there, it looks pretty decent, and following the same line in this particular pattern should have, well, these lines should actually go in that way, but I guess these are just grips in any case. So that's installing more M4 M3 performance parts on a BMW 1M coupe. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Catch you on the next one.